X marks the spot. Let's dig into 4 exciting X words today. The image explains the word xerography as a way to make paper copies. It shows a copier machine and 2 children helping kids understand that xerography is used to copy papers quickly. The image explains the word X chromosome as a tiny part inside our cells that helps decide if we are a boy or a girl. It shows 2 children looking at a big purple X with smiling faces, helping kids understand that girls have 2 X chromosomes and boys have 1. The image explains the word Xerox as a copy made by a machine. It shows a Xerox machine printing a paper, helping kids understand that Xerox means making a copy of something. The image explains the word xenophobia as being afraid of or not liking people from other countries. It shows 2 kids and a person being left out, helping children understand that it's important to be kind to everyone, no matter where they come from. That's the X Factor for today. Catch you next time for more word wonders.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey.